To change the password of your mobile hotspot in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap mobile hotspot and tethering, tap mobile hotspot, and then tap configure. Next, erase the current password. Now type the new password. And then tap save. The password of your mobile hotspot has been changed. Since the default password is a combination of random character, it might be too hard to remember. Thus, you can change the password to your preferred password to make it more easily for you to remember and to avoid others from typing a wrong password. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.